Your question is, the provision of right to freedom of religion includes first, freedom of propagation of religion; second, right to wear and carry kirpans by Sikhs; third, states' right to make laws for social reforms; fourth, right to conversion of religion of people by religious bodies. Choose the correct answer from given codes. Code A 1, 2 and 3, B 2, 3 and 4, C 3 and 4, or D all of above. Right answer is A 1, 2 and 3. Freedom of propagation of religion, right to wear and carry kirpans by Sikhs, and states' right to make laws for social reforms. Your question is, which of the following are envisaged by the right against exploitation in the Constitution of India? First, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor; second, abolition of untouchability; third, protection of the interest of minorities; fourth, prohibition of employment of children in factories and mines. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are A 1, 2 and 4 only, B 2, 3 and 4 only, C 1 and 4 only, or D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is C 1 and 4 only. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, and prohibition of employment of children in factories and mines. Your question is, according to Article 25 of the Constitution, right to freedom of religion is not subjected to. Your options are A public order, B health, C morality, or D humanism. Right answer is D humanism. Your question is, what are the restrictions in the freedom to manage religious affairs in the Article 26 of the Constitution? First, public order; second, national security; third, education; fourth, morality; fifth, health; sixth, secularism. Your options are A 1, 2, 3, B 2, 3, 5, C 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, or D 1, 4, 5. Right answer is D 1, 4, 5. Public order, morality, health. Your question is, under which article of Indian Constitution wearing of kirpans by Sikh is deemed as a right to freedom of religion? Your options are A Article 24, B Article 25, C Article 26, or D Article 27. Right answer is B Article 25. Your question is, Article 25 of the Indian Constitution refers to. Your options are A right to equality, B right to property, C freedom of religion, or D protection of minorities. Right answer is C freedom of religion. Your question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human and forced labor; B Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories; C Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs; or D Article 29, freedom of establishment and administration of educational institutions by minorities. Right answer is D Article 29, freedom of establishment and administration of educational institutions by minorities. Your question is, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Your options are A prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, Article 23; B protection of interest of minorities, Article 29; C right to constitutional remedies, Article 32; or D right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions, Article 31. Right answer is D right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions, Article 31. Your question is, which article of the Constitution protects the right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice? Your options are A 19, B 26, C 29, or D 30. Right answer is D 30. Your question is, under which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution it has been provided that all minorities shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice? Your options are A Article 28, B Article 29, C Article 30, or D Article 31. Right answer is C Article 30.